Welcome to this video. Today I will teach you how to download Terraria with mods. Now first you're going to go into store and you're going to go to the search bar and search for T mod loader, and this is going to appear and it's free. So just click here and we're going to go in down here and press install. Now once you have it installed, you're going to go and launch it and it's going to look like this. So like normal Terraria. Single player, multiplayer, achievements and so on. Now the mods tab is this called workshop. In here you can manage your mods. This is where you see your mods and enable them, and this is where you download them. So let's say you want to download a mod, you go into download here and you can download everyone you want, and as you can see here there is quite a lot of mods to choose from, and there are made new mods every single day. And if you press here you can see what the mod is about, and it's going to take you into the community and you can see a little highlight about what the mod is like. Now if you wanna, after download it, if you wanna enable it, you're gonna go into manage mods right here, and as you can see here, these are the mods I have. So you wanna go in here and you wanna press enable. They're always gonna be disabled if you are right after you've downloaded them. But the way to disable them or enable them is simply to press on the tab. As you can see here now it's disabled, but of course I gotta reload it to make sure that it doesn't run it. And it's really that simple, and it's like that for every single mod. Now thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.